Today, the problem which we are taking up is if a minus b is equal to 2, a square plus b square is 3, then we have to find the value of a raised to 10 minus b raised to 10. This is the question. Okay. So the question is this. Now let us see. To solve this, we need a few identities. Let us see which are those identities. See, here we will be using the identities a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. The other identity, you see this is a little special identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. The third identity which we'll be using is a minus b whole cube is equal to a raised to 3 minus b raised to 3 minus 3ab into a minus b. So let's first begin with the first identity. See, the first identity is this. Now I put a bracket here because we know this value. A raised to 2 plus b raised to 2 is 3. And a minus b value also we know. So let's put the value a minus b is 2 and a square plus b square is 3. Put it here, it becomes 2 raised to 2 square is equal to 3 minus 2ab. So 2 square is 4. So it will be, take 2ab this side and 3, 2 square is 4 which comes this side become minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 upon 2. So AB is minus 1 upon 2. So in addition to this information, we have gathered one more value, that is AB value, that is 1 by 2. So now let us see what are the things we know. We know this. We have got this value. Now let us use another identity. A square minus b square whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4a square b square. So AB, this is, so you can write this as AB whole square. So it will be like this. Let's put the value of AB, which we have calculated here is this. And a square plus b square, you know, it is 3. So when you put the value, it is 3 square minus 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square. Because it's a square, this will become 1 by 4. So you will be have 9, 3 square is 9, 9 minus 4 into 1 by 4. 4 cancels, it is 9 minus 1. So you will be having a square minus b square whole square is equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8. So now let us take the square root of both the sides. Square root of both sides will be root of a square minus b square whole square is equal to root of 8. The square and root will cancel. So it will be only a square minus b square is equal to root 8. Root 8 could be written as 4 into 2. And square root of 4 is 2. And inside the root there is 2. So that means a square minus b square is 2 root 2. So that is our value. A square minus b square is 2 root 2. So this is the second value which we are calculating. So let's place it here. So the value which you got here, this and the second one. Now see the third identity. A square minus b square whole square is equal to a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 minus 2a square b square. We are using a minus b whole square identity only. Okay. Now let's put the values. A square minus b square I have just calculated. So this value I know. And this could be written a plus b, ab whole raised to 2. So it will be this way. Okay. Now let's put this value and this value. So it is 2 root 2 whole square. This. Now 2 root 2 whole square, what will be its value? See, I'll just explain it here. 2 root 2 whole square is 2 root 2 multiplied to 2 root 2. Okay. So the number with number you should multiply. So 2 into 2. And the root with multiply with root. So root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is root 4, which is just 2. So this is 2 2s are 4. So 4 2s are 8. That means 2 root 2 whole square is 8. This value is 8. And here it is 1 by 4 because square is there. And it just cancels. So it will be 8 is equal to a square, a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 minus 2 into 1 by 4. You can cancel 2 ones or 2 twos, it will be 1 by 2 only here. Minus it is, take it that side, it will become plus. So it will be a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4, 8 plus 1 by 2. So this is a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 will be, if you take LCM, will get 17 by 2. So this is the third value which we have calculated. Let's put it here again. Third. Now we are going to take the cube, a square minus b square whole cube. That is a square whole raised to 3 minus b square whole raised to 3 minus 3 a square b square into this. Now the values which we know, let's slightly put it here. A raised to 6 it becomes b raised to 6. This is ab whole raised to 2 and this. So a square minus b square, we are just knowing this value. So let's put it in the respective places. So it will be like this. 3 minus 1 by 2 whole square into 2 in root 2, because this is 2 root 2, this is also 2 root. Now a 2 root 2 whole raised to 3. This calculation, see, I'll show you separately. Okay. Now 3, when you take square, it becomes 1 by 4 and this. 2 1s are 2 2s are, you'll cancel and it will be 3 root 2 by 2. Now this particular value you see, 2 root 2 whole cube is 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. So number with number multiply and roots with together. So it is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is fine. 2 root 2 into root 2 is 2 and there's 1 root 2 left, so it will be 8 to the 16, 16 root. So 2 root 2 whole cube is 16 root 2. So this value is 16 root 2. So 16 root 2, this is a raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. This is 3 root 2 because 2 2s are 4. So it is 3 root 2 upon 2. Now let us take minus this side to become plus. So 16 root 2 plus 3 root 2. It will be 16 root 2 plus 3 root 2 upon 2. Take LCM. It will be 16 to the 32 root 2 plus. So 32 plus 2 is 35. 35 root 2, that is a raised to 6 minus b raised to 6 is 35 root 2 upon 2. This is the fourth value which we have calculated. Now further. This this you have calculated this. Now, you see this is 4, this is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. So let's multiply these two. So it will be a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4. A raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. This value is 17 upon 2. We have just calculated. And this value which is 35 root 2 upon 2, which we have just calculated. So now, here this is a binomial multiplication. A raised to 4 into b raised to 6 is a raised to 10. Then b raised to 4 into b raised to 6 is b raised to 10. Here, but plus into minus is minus. So it will be like this. So a raised to 10 minus b raised to 10 minus, because this is plus, this is minus minus, a raised to 4, b raised to 6 plus, this is also plus, this is also plus, b raised to 4, a raised to 6 is equal to 35 into 17 is 595 root 2 upon 2 to the 4. Now, these two terms, we can take out a raised to 4, b raised to 4 common. So if you take out b, see this like this, what is left? B square minus a square. This is what. So this could be written as ab raised to 4. ab raised to 4, b square minus a square. Now the value here is b square minus a square. But what do we know? We know a square minus b square. So what does do? Let us take this and take the negative of both the sides. See, it is like this. A square minus b square is 2 root 2. Take the negative of both the sides. And open this bracket, it becomes minus a square minus minus plus b square is equal to minus 2 root 2. So this is a positive term, put it front, and this negative term write it later. So b square minus a square is minus 2 root 2. It is not plus 2 root 2 as in this case. So now here this we are going to take as minus 2 root 2. So it will be, this value is minus 1 by 2 raised to 4 and this value is minus 2 root 2 and is equal to this. Now minus 1 by 2 multiplied 4 times. Now 1 into 1 into 1 into 4 times and the 4 times of minus sign becomes positive. And 2 raised to 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So this is 1 by 16. Okay. So it will be 1 by 16 minus 2 root 2 is equal to this. 2 ones are 2 8s, you can cancel and minus minus will become plus. It will be plus root 2 upon 8. Take this plus sign this side, it becomes negative. So a raised to 10 minus b raised to 10 is 595 root 2 upon 4 minus root 2 upon 8. LCM, if you take LCM is 8, so this to be multiplied by 2. So it will become 595 into 2 will be 1190 root 2 minus root 2. So if you take out root 2 common, it is 1190 minus 1 is 1189. So a raised to 10 minus b raised to 10 is 1189 root 2 upon 8. So this is the value which we want to put. I think you are clear. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to click on the like button. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So please subscribe this so that you will get many more such related videos.